Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on 23 and 24 of our guest checks. And our prompts for 23 is spattered paint, and our prompts for 24 is butterfly. So I've got my stuff for this, and I'm excited because I had picked Amy's one of her older Christmas digitals for my journal this year, and I had already had it, and to be honest with you, I didn't know what to do with this. And when she did her showing us prompt 23 and she had one, I knew what to do with this. So I'm gonna make an envelope just like she did using this Christmas digital. I had the idea that it was supposed to go around the page like this. I had no idea how to use it. So I'm excited now. And so I'm gonna do that. And I ask that you check out her channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. here they are. I really love how they turned out. Don't ask me why I didn't make my envelope longer. I just didn't, but I still think it turned out cute. Got the guest check peeping out of the top, and I've got my little postcard. I'm not sure what digital this came from, but I got it in the little tuck spot like Amy did. And I think it's so cute. I used the Tim Holtz mica stain for my spatters. It's the new Christmas colors, tart cranberry and fresh balsam. And I enjoyed that so much that I decided to go ahead and splash Distress Oxide on my other one. So I figure you can, it's light enough to where you can journal here. So this is number 23, and number 24 is more of a spring-like with the butterflies and the little fairy, and we should give thanks year-round. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out her Etsy store. She's got some beautiful digitals and beautiful things in her shop. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.